kids, welcome back to English class. Today again we are going to do English grammar, and in English grammar we are going to do conjunctions, that is on page number 99. So children, what do you mean by conjunctions? Conjunctions are connecting words. Conjunctions are connecting words. You can see on the board, ma'am has written it here. Conjunctions are connecting words which connects words, group of words or short sentences. Okay? And here some of the conjunctions I will tell you that are, which you have to study in class 2, that are and, but, and or, and, but, and or. Three conjunctions mainly you will study today. So what is conjunction and meant for? Where we use conjunction and. So first you will study that. Okay. So many times you have studied and. Can you give me any example of and conjunction? This and. So children, and is like we can say a bread and a butter. A bread and a butter. Then you can say other examples. See, this is connecting the word. Connecting the words. Now sentences also. Ram likes dance and Shyam likes dance. They both are liking the dance. So how we can say this together? How we can say this together? By adding conjunction. Ram and Shyam. They both like dance. Ram and Shyam like dance. Okay. So we can use conjunction and for similar ideas. Similar, where the ideas are similar, same, where the ideas similar or same, where the ideas are same. Okay. And now if I say Khanak wants to play piano and Khanak wants to play piano, Rachit also wants to play piano. They both want to play piano. So how we will connect? By using conjunction and. Khanak and Rachit want to play piano because they both here want to play the same instrument, that is piano. So there is similar idea, same idea is here. That's why we are using here and. Okay, and conjunction. Now where we use this but. But is for different ideas. Different means opposite. Okay, different we can say here, or we can use the word opposite. Opposite ideas are here. So opposite ideas. I want to eat Maggie. I want to eat Maggie. My brother wants to eat pizza. Different ideas are there. Maggie, one wants to eat Maggie and other wants to eat pizza. There are different ideas. So how we can connect this? By using conjunction but. I want to eat Maggie, but my brother wants to eat pizza. This way we can connect the sentence by using conjunction but, where the ideas are opposite. Ideas are different. They are not matching with each other. Okay, they are not matching with each other. There we use conjunction but. There one more conjunction you have to study, that is or. Or conjunction, where we use or. Think children, think when you have been given here choices. Two choices or more than two choices you have been given, and you have to choose. You have to choose out of that. You have to choose any one out of that. Okay. Like you have gone to party and your mama is telling you you can eat. There is option. Okay. One is ice cream, other is juice. And you have to take any one of that. Any one out of that. So what you will say? Your mama will say that take this juice or ice cream. Take juice or ice cream, any one. So you will choose out of that any one. If you go to restaurant, if you go to party, so there are so many choices, and out of that choice you have to choose any one thing. So there are so many games, there are so many musical instruments, so there you have to choose any one. Okay, so if you are given dance choice and singing choice, so you have to choose any one. So where there you will use conjunction or. So children, we will do exercises on page number 99. So first priority is to put today's date, and then you have to read the heading. Okay, without reading heading nobody will do any work. Okay, keep in mind children, 2 3 I will solve and rest you will solve, and you will send me the picture of that. Okay, I will see whether my children have understood or not. So here this A, complete the sentences using and or but. We have to use here conjunction and or but. And you know where we have to use? Where the ideas are similar, and but where the ideas are different. So I read a storybook, painted a picture on Saturday. Here read will not come, read. Okay, we will pronounce it correct. I read a storybook, painted a picture on Saturday. So here conjunction and will come. I read a storybook. After that, what I have done? After that I have done and I have painted a picture on Saturday. Okay. Cats like fish. Cats like fish. Dogs like meat. Different ideas, opposite ideas. Cats like fish, but dog, what do they like? They like meat. I can sing. I can sing. I can't dance. I can't dance. I can sing, but I can't dance. One thing I can do. So children, rest two you will solve, and answers I will provide in the assignment section. So you will do and you will tell me. Now or conjunction we have to use. Now page number 100. Quickly take out. Here what you have to do, underline the conjunction in each of the following sentences. Then put a tick mark in the box if the statement given below each sentence is correct, and a cross if it is false. Now here you can see first example is given. My brother and sister. Conjunction is here and is underlined. Okay. One example which is solved, and what you have to do. Here one box is given. There you have to put tick and cross. How? By seeing this sentence. By seeing this sentence, by reading this sentence. Okay. Whether this conjunction which is used in the sentence is right or not. According to that or not. My brother and sister drink orange juice every morning. My brother and sister means ideas are similar here. My brother and sister, they both are drinking orange juice every morning. So this is a conjunction and is the correct one. But it is asked here, it joins opposite ideas. This what is and is used, so and is joining here the opposite ideas in the sentence. No, it is false. It is joining the similar ideas. If it is written here the similar ideas, then we would have put here tick. Here it is written it joins the opposite ideas. In opposite idea you know what we write? But. Okay, but the sentence says we have to use and only. So this false we have done because it joins the opposite idea is wrong. Now B. Radha and Preeta can sing well. Radha and Preeta, and singing well is the same idea. So now it is asked, it joins the similar idea. These ideas are similar. Singing idea is similar idea. Right or wrong? In the box what we will? First we will take this, underline the conjunction, and then we will put tick or cross accordingly. First we will read this. It joins similar ideas. So yes, it joins similar ideas and is used here for similar ideas. So we will put tick. One more I will solve and rest all you will solve. Okay. My mother cooks but my father does not. Both are different ideas. Both are opposite ideas. But let us see. But we will underline. But is a conjunction. But what we have to put here? First we will read this. It gives a choice of ideas. Choice. Two options are there. Two options are there. No. It is giving the different idea here. So we will put cross. So children, rest all you will do by yourself, and first you will try to do by yourself, and answers I will provide in the assignment section. Okay, and fun task you have to do by yourself. Here all the words, help box is given. So you will do by yourself and you will click the photo of that and you will send it to me. So till then, stay safe, stay tuned, bye bye.